Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. So let's do the technical analysis. Let's identify, are we holding on to a bullish pivot today? Because you can see we have a green candle after some sell-off today. Or is Tesla still weak enough that it's undecided, or will it continue lower? We'll take a look at all of that in this price action and as we do the analysis here. With that, I also want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. I'm just sharing my educational opinion, nothing more than that. Now, let's get some of the things out of the way. The first thing I just want to really quickly show you is my day trading bot. I'm happy even how the bot has been doing. We are still net profitables. Today also was a profitable day. We did sell off, but you can see we got a good buying position into it, and then we were able to take profits out through again, this is by the bot, right? All these signals given by the bot. No one is stopping you to manually take profits wherever you like, right? But anyways, just wanted to share this. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have two indicators, two trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. I use, again, these are educational tools. You can use them however you like, but there will be red days as well. Just want to emphasize that. And it's all about being net profitable. And again, you can manually intervene however you want to take profits. For example, I do that all the time. But anyway, this is just from the bot, the signals and everything, the data based off of just what the bot did, right? We are still profitable though. All right. Now, coming back to the price action itself, let me turn this off. And here we go. All right. So guys, what we have here is Tesla today, as it was falling, we got bought back up at 20 days moving average. Now, what I have been saying is that Tesla, as long as Tesla, we are above 20 and 50 days moving average, we are not bearish. However, after yesterday's red candle, what I wanted to see is it close above at least 175 today. We did test 175 today, and however, we didn't close above that. However, we are still holding this pivot. You can see precisely we got bought back up above 20 and 50 days moving average at the retest of that, and 20 has crossed above 50 days moving average as well. And we still have this pivot holding at a higher low level, right? So yes, we are still in the bullish direction on Tesla on the swing. Okay, so it's just, so any position if it's taken over here, right, you can just follow this trend line and the stop loss should be below that, because if stop loss hits, it hits. That will be a change of structure. Change of structure would come though below 20 and 50 days moving average if we close any candle below that. But taking a position around this, again, I'm just sharing my opinion. You go and do whatever you want to do. But these are the places to try to take up positions, and that's where when the moves happens, then you can start sizing out when it goes up. Otherwise, yeah, if it breaks the trend line, the structure, then stop loss will hit, but you would not have a big loss. You will get out, right? So it's all about maximizing reward and minimizing the risk, right? But these are the places to take positions, and yeah, so far we are still holding the pivot. But let me take you to the lower time frames. Let's go to the hourly interval. Let's talk a couple of things over there. Now, on hourly interval, as I said, I really wanted to see it close above the 175 today. We didn't do that. We are finding resistance in the yesterday's area of level. And while we are here, let me actually just quickly check something here. Okay, all good. So yeah, we are finding some resistance up there, right, at 175. But anyways, and we are below 200 hours moving average. So as I showed you, we are not bearish because we have a pivot on our side, right? And we have we are above 20 and 50 days moving average. But at the same time, we don't need these trend lines anymore. But at the same time, we are below 200 hours moving average, and we are resisting to go above 175, one of the existing resistance. And that's where the situation is, that it's a 50-50 game. But the things are still more in the bullish side, because on the daily interval we have a pivot and above 20 and 50 days moving average. I would give bulls like 60% to 65% here, the territory that they have. Now, it's very important for Tesla, if you want to continue higher, that we get above 200 hours moving average, and but most importantly, close above 175 tomorrow. That's very important. If we can close the week above 175 tomorrow, which is Friday, that is a really good win on Tesla to continue to the upside. Okay, so that's that. But is it in that direction? Well, to me, today's buying is a good buying, right? And as long as, now let's go to the lower time frames again. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Now, as long as Tesla tomorrow can stay above 175, that's great. Don't forget that $180 is an acting supply zone as well. So even if we go up tomorrow, and let's say even if we try to get close to 180, I do expect some price reaction at 180, a bit of a sell-off or something. But then we'll see if at the lower levels we find pullbacks or what. Tesla will start to look weak again tomorrow if we lose the level of 174 tomorrow. If Tesla loses that, Tesla will be weaker. Above 174, we are in an uptrend. Above 175 as well, we are in the uptrend. Below 174 is a little bit questionable to talk about that, right? Anyways, so guys, yes, that's pretty much with Tesla, in my opinion. As long as we are above 20 and 50 days moving average, we are still holding this pivot strong right over here, right? And if I take it the 4 hours, and so yeah, I'm in the bull camp right now, unless that level, doesn't break of 20 and 50 days moving average. And then also, if you see this trend line, which was the following the downtrend, right? We have gotten out of that as well with a good candle, right? So that's also a good sign. This is on 4 hours interval. But yeah, anyways, anything below intraday 174 is a concern tomorrow. Everything above 174, if we stay above that, we are still good on Tesla to the upside. And on daily interval, we definitely want to stay above 170 if we want to stay on the bullish pivot side, and that's very important. So tomorrow's green candle is very important for us to see, guys. And yeah, that will, let's go to the weekly interval, because that will also start to look this more like an, on the weekly interval, inverted head and shoulder. So when we have such a strong good green weekly candle, any pullback onto this usually results in an continuation to the upside. So let's see if we continue to get that, and potentially inverted head and shoulder will be formed here. But yeah, we need to get out of this channel as well as soon as possible if we want to continue to stay bullish, right? And really make another price technical structure. Because once we are out of this channel, then 230 at least becomes the possibility, where 200 weeks moving averages, right? So yeah, but until then, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. And there's couple of things here as well that we can take a look at. That Tesla factory expansions plans in Germany approved by local council. That's great. And yeah, we have had a couple of things. Tesla is going for their website for retail investors to vote for the Tesla Elon's package. And that's important, guys. So if Elon package can get approved, that will keep him motivated to work in the company. Yeah, right? Otherwise, he's already having so many side gigs at other companies that he would be just like, okay, whatever, right? But anyways, we'll see what happens there. Before just wrapping up, I did talk about QQ and SPY as well, guys, in my another video of QQ and SPY that I did. So let's just take a look at here. So we do see some sell-off that happened closer to the end of the market close, but we are still bullish on QQ. But yes, these intraday cool-offs may come. So the levels you are watching are 448 and 70 cents and 444. If these cool-offs continues to happen, cool-offs can happen down to these levels, but structure is still bullish as long as we are above 444. Okay, intraday short cool-offs can be traded, but the swing structure is not bearish. You can see on the hourly interval, Tomorrow, if there's a possibility we might come down to 448 at least on intraday. All right, that's a cool off. And similarly for SPY, I mean, it's curving to the downside, so there's a chance it may come tomorrow to 524.66 cents. But that will be just an intraday cool off. On SPY as well, SPY will still remain in the bullish structure even if, as long as SPY is above $518, guys. That's just going to be a pullback, quite a deeper pullback, but that structure will still remain bullish though. All right, well guys, that's pretty much it for this video. As I said, if you liked it, please hit the like, subscribe, and also if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. With that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.